Hi mathematicians, it's Miss Preston. Today we are going to be using skip counting in order to solve multiplication problems.
Our first problem is 3 5s or 3 times 5. And when we're first beginning multiplying, it's really helpful to draw a picture. So if we have 3 5s, that could look like 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in each group. It could also be an array. So it could be 3 rows of 5 each. So 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we would draw this. Now, I know that most of you are second graders. That means that you know already how to count by 5s. So instead of counting all these one by one, we're going to count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. We could also do the same with our array. So 5, 10, 15. We get the same answer. This problem is 8 5s or 8 times 5. So our picture would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups, 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we could draw an array with 8 rows, 5 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want to get off the board here. 7 and 8. Okay, you can see that. And we're going to do 5 across. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I did 4. I need to add one more because we need 5. So this is what our picture would look like, either equal groups or with an array. And we're not going to count all these one by one. That would take too long. So we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. Let's see if we get the same thing when we count our array. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We do. Now we have 7 10s or 7 times 10. So we need our 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 in each group. And you know what I'm going to do? I don't want to draw 10 little lines, so I'm just going to make the number 10. Much easier. And then I could also draw my array, so I would have 7 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10 in each row. So I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, when you get to bigger numbers, it's harder to make a picture, and so that's when we need to start learning how to do them in our head. So when we have 7 10s, we are going to be counting by 10s. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 times 10 is going to be 70. Let's check it with our array. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yep. It checks out. This one is 4 10s or 4 times 10. Try to pause the video and see if you can figure it out. We would have 4 groups, 10 in each group, or we would have 4 rows, 10 in each row. Then we can count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. Check our array, 10, 20, 30, 40. These 2 problems are something times 2. So in this one we have 7 2s or 7 times 2. So I would have 7 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 in each group. I could also make an array. You don't have to do both. It's just whatever is easier or whatever way works best for you. So your array would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 in each row. We already have 1, so we need to add 1 more. Then we can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we know 7 times 2 equals 14. Let's check it with our array. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Checks out. This problem is 9 2s, or 9 times 2. So we would have 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 in each group. Then we can do our array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 in each row. And count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it checks out.
I hope you learned something about using skip counting to solve multiplication problems today. Bye!